Hey people, so these are these little birds exploring my balcony for the first time, and it's like that's what it's a new place for them, and it's the first time they have this opportunity to roam in a balcony, and I see now they're stretching and all. Once I'm all dressed for the day, then I could probably take them on my lap and sit because otherwise they are noisy little birds, like in terms of see, this is how it looks now. Because of this construction, even this patch will go, I think, but it's okay. So everything happens like for the best. So that's what with these I realize I prefer rabbits because they are at least silent little souls. These are pretty noisy, but yeah, it looks like they are. I'm glad they at least have each other and they survive the night. Like in terms of, it can get pretty noisy with them, yeah. So I think I would have to, I don't know, maybe at night devise a way to not have them make so much noise. I don't know what to do.